So your left one doesn't look bad. It's just this right one with all the cracks in there. Is that pretty painful for you?
Yeah, sometimes, and if I put like Neosporin on it, it helps. I just need to keep the emotion. That one, I think it's because of the rod in my ankle. It just makes it turn.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's why, because I never had that much problems with it until I had broken my ankle. That's like 10 years at least now, I don't know.
Okay. So when you're walking on this one, it gets kind of sore.
Yeah.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to trim off some of this dead thick skin here, and then we'll smooth it all down.
Mm-hmm.
And then over the next couple weeks, let's get you back in here to do it again.
Mm-hmm.
And see if we can get this to heal up a little bit. No pun intended.
It's fine.
And get some of these cracks to heal up and go away. Now, because of your diabetes, you pretty much have dry skin everywhere, or is it the worst on your feet?
It's the worst on my feet, but I do. I've had dry skin my whole life, even before I was diabetic. I don't know why. I just am the lucky one.
I feel like it's getting a little hot?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's come over to your other foot here. Get rid of some of this thick stuff here.